excited, you guys. Like, I'm so happy. I'm just ready. You already know what time it is. It's vlog time. Welcome or I'm saying it right? Yeah, I am. All right. Welcome or welcome back to my channel, you guys. It is yet another monthly vlog. I didn't think I was gonna vlog for this month, honestly, but honestly, February has been pretty exciting. I kid you not. So I'm like, you know what? At some point in time, I need to pick up the camera so I can show you guys what's been going on. I don't know if the month is about over. Today is 2/22, so it's February 22nd. Yeah, so I'll just give you a rundown of February so far, and I'll try to insert some clips of this month thus far. Well, it's pretty much almost over, but it's probably going to be a really short vlog, and I'm okay with that because it's less editing for me. What is it, last week or the week before last, actually, one of my friends from back home actually came to town and we went out, and it was actually my first time having a club experience out here in Atlanta, and that was pretty fun. We bar hopped right after that too, so we really had a really good time.
You can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's not in your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace.
I went to an arcade or bowling alley. That was also really fun. And I've just been really super busy because, one, I'm working. I work full time. It's been hectic because on my lunch breaks I've been going to view apartments. So I am apartment hunting right now. I don't want to speak too much about it though, but I will take you guys on one of the tours. I have a tour coming up on Tuesday. I want to take you guys to that one. This apartment is supposed to look really nice. By the pictures it looks great. So yeah, I'm just ready to like upgrade. Also, the apartment complex I stay in does not have any amenities like whatsoever. No pool, no gym, like literally nothing. You know, this was my first apartment. I'm proud of myself, you know, for doing it all on my own. However, now it's time to upgrade, especially because I kind of feel a little like, but I feel a little claustrophobic here in this apartment complex. Don't get me wrong, I love my apartment. However, there's no extras. There's nothing too special going on with the apartment. So I'm just like, you know what, I need something where I feel like, I don't know, days I don't want to go to the gym or something, that there's a gym on site that I could at least go to. Something, you know what I'm saying? And I like to swim in the summertime, you know what I'm saying? I need a pool or something, you know. I don't want to just have to go to somebody else's place to, you know. That's the goal for this year. Obviously the ultimate goal is to be a homeowner, which that is still in progress as well. But as of right now though, this is my first time apartment complex living. So if I'm gonna live in an apartment complex, I'm gonna live in an apartment complex, and I want amenities. So yeah, that's that. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning right now, y'all. I just wanted to make sure I did this intro. But yeah, February has been very good to me. I've been very happy. Don't get me wrong, I'm human. I have my days, but February has been a very good month. I have no complaints for the most part. I've had a lot of fun. I've been getting out more. That's definitely like a goal for 2023, is definitely to get out a little more. I'm trying to get the homebodyism out of my system. Don't get me wrong, I'm gonna always be a homebody. There are days where I'm just like, okay, I need to get out the house, or I need to, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to make sure I get out more, and not just get out and do the same thing every single time. Like, try new things, do different things, have fun, like spend time with friends, stuff like that. So I've been doing that a lot lately. And yeah, I've been, and I feel like I'm finally starting to enjoy you know, moving out of state a little more. My mind is so cluttered, but in a good way. Like, I'm very busy. When I say I'm very busy, like all 7 days of the week busy. Every hour is accounted for. That's how busy I mean, not that busy, but I'm busy, okay? I'm about as busy as Beyonce. That's a lie. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. That's the intro to this vlog. Let me not ramble. It's been like, what? I'm just trying to make sure I didn't miss out on anything else, like, that I need to tell you guys. I mean, I got some big plans for sure, but we talking about the month of February. We're not talking about, okay, when those things come to fruition, you will see them. But up until then, we just gonna focus on where we at right now, and we in February. This is my February monthly vlog. All right, you guys, enjoy, stick around, stay tuned, all that good stuff. Hello, today is, what is it, February. Honestly, I'm not even, it's no point in saying the dates, but I'm headed to the first tour of this week. It's Monday. This one luckily is not too far, which is great. Pretty much like scheduled them on my lunch breaks, so I'm headed there now. Yeah, I was doing my nails while I was working. And the funny thing is, the one side is done, the other side is not done at all. It looks crazy, but I don't really care. I'm just going for a tour, and I look somewhat presentable. They just don't need to look at my other hand. It doesn't look that bad, like, but it doesn't look up to par. I'm excited about this one. Main things that I'm looking for is more modern apartment. The one I'm at now isn't really that modern, nor does it have any amenities. So amenities is pretty much the biggest deal for me right now. I'm checking out apartments that are newer built, so maybe like no more than like 5 years old, some of them, which is great because you don't really have to worry about renovations. I feel like I'm still fairly new to renting, and what I noticed is people say they did renovations, but they just painted over shit. So that's why it's best to do a tour, because with the apartment I'm at now, I didn't do a tour when I got my apartment. I didn't tour it, I didn't view it before anything, like, because I was just ready to have my own place. But now I'm making sure to view the place before I rent it. So yeah, I'm excited to take you guys with me. It's just gonna be phone footage today. I'm not bringing my camera. Maybe for the next one, I don't know, but that's just not what I'm feeling like right now. Like I said, I was just rushing out the house to make it to this appointment, so, and I'm still gonna be late like a couple minutes. So I hope you don't mind the phone footage, and let's get into these apartment tours.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, got it on my course to get a long night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, keep going, baby. Hit me on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep the moves in the first of it.
you guys. So I'm actually really excited right now. I would say excuse my appearance, but at this point I really don't care no more. So I just did the tour today and that went really well. I really loved that apartment, even though I know I'm probably not going with that apartment just because the price point is out of my budget. But when I did that tour, I had no idea that I got an approval for another apartment that I viewed, and it's like I could just end the vlog right here, y'all. Like, I'm so excited. I had no idea. I'm still gonna view like the other places that I have scheduled this week, but just to look at them, because you know, just to look. One I already know I'm not going with, but I just want to see it in person because it's a little further. But right now I don't want to be too far from the area that I'm at right now. Yes, I'm really excited, you guys. Like, I didn't realize, like, I'm so happy. I'm just ready to, like, I'm so ready to move. I'm ready to get the ball rolling. I'm ready to, you know, shop and get some new decor and organizational things. I am so excited, you guys. And so definitely be expecting packing in the March vlog, and in April the move in that vlog. So I'm just ready to take y'all on this journey. I'm so excited. Now I feel relieved, and I'm about to get ready to go to the gym. I just got off of work and I'm gonna run some errands, and that's really all I got for right now. My house is a mess. I need to clean too. I would do something like a clean with me, but I'm a little like, I don't know how that goes. Like, I'm a little embarrassed. I don't know, maybe not. It's mainly just clutter on my bed. Like, I took out clothes that I want to give away for the spring. I'm trying to declutter a lot. I really want to declutter, and I want to be more minimal. And mainly, I've done a great job moving in here, decluttering with a lot of stuff and organizing better. But the main thing that I feel like is very cluttered is my clothes. And I want new clothes too, but some of these clothes I don't even wear like that. Some of them are old, and it's just like, I'm gonna get clothes. I'm always gonna get clothes. So it's time to go ahead and maybe take some to Plato's Closet or just donate, because I need to get rid of some of these clothes. Yeah, I just want to get rid of the clutter. Oh, and I did my nails while I was working. I went back over these with the pink, and I don't love it. But what's crazy is this is not my dominant hand, but I like this hand more. I don't even know if you can see the design. It's very minimal. It's not even that much going on here, but I know after a couple days, I'm really not going to care. Alright, you guys, so I will talk to you later, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. February is almost over. This might just be the end of the vlog. If so, then please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
I need you.